looking at a Madill 46. It's the same one I videoed out in the yard last year. Got a C15 ready to go in. It's gonna be pretty slick for the throttle. Man, what a unit. How cool is that? I guess it's going out to New York once it's done. Oh, you're all right.
No, if you're gonna take a picture, go ahead.
What's left on this to do before it's ready to fire off?
That'd be a question for he's the motor man.
The motor man. So what's left with this till it's ready to fire off?
Pretty much set it on there.
Wow. That's neat.
I got a little wiring to do. I got a wired starter and the alternator, but the wiring harness is already laying up there.
Oh, you got the harness up there, didn't you?
Is this a brand new motor or reman?
Reman. The one that everybody wants.
Yeah.
So it takes forever to get it.
Yeah, a C15 with one turbo. That's cool. Very cool.
I don't know how much difference there is between this. This is the 6NZ and the twin turbo is the Acer.
Yeah. I don't know anything about that.
Other than I know they got the twin turbos on them, but I know when I was leasing trucks at National, that one turbo broke the bolts on them on a regular basis, and they were brand new trucks.
Wow.
Anything else they did to them, I don't have a clue. We had one of our own trucks that had a C15 on it, and we just drove it. Never screwed with it.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Well, I'll leave you alone, so not in your hair while you're trying to work on this. That's cool. that's good. Didn't realize they had the cab out here too. Look at that, all ready to go. It's pretty neat. It's all ready to go. Slap the motor in, attach a few things, and start pulling some rock. I'm sure there's a few people watching this that have set these up or set up similar 8-guy line machines. A lot of work. Anyway, well, I'm gonna walk around and check out a few more things. Well, if you like what you see here, please subscribe and hit the bell in the end for all the updates. And thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye now.